Can you say okay? Okay, mom. Okay, let's start. What number is this? What number? Very good. What number is this? Very good. How about this? Very good. How about this? This green one? 4. How about this yellow one? Louder. Very good. This. What number is this? Look. You tell mommy what number is this. Very good. How about this? Very good. Are you okay? How about this pink one? Very good. How about this blue one? Very good. Louder. It's 7. Very good. How about this one? 6. What animal is this? What animal is this? Lion. What color is this? Very good. It's above the train. Can you say thanks, mommy? Bye, guys. Hi, guys. Love you. Thank you for watching. Flying kiss. Go.